In September this year, the 32nd International Building Trade Fair Prague took place at the Letňany fairgrounds in Prague, along with a number of accompanying events. It is the largest display of world trends and innovations in the field of civil engineering, building installations, and other fields, which is visited by tens of thousands of visitors, mainly experts from the field. Those mover and shakers in the field presenting new and at the same time very reliable solutions cannot miss such a prestigious event. One of these companies is Fenix Trading, which is part of the Fenix Group. Fenix is Europe's largest manufacturer of electric radiant heating, exporting its own products to 70 countries on all continents. The stand with the Fenix logo dominated the entire pavilion and also impressed the Trade Fair Awards Committee, who awarded it the prestigious Top EXPO award. The company Fenix is engaged in the production of electric radiant heating systems. Our company has been on the market for 31 years. It is an exclusively Czech company. However, we currently own more than 7 companies abroad. For example, we have subsidiaries in France, Germany and Norway. We have prepared a new exposition for our customers, which you can see here. We can show our customers products we offer and we can advertise them on the best heating systems for them. Our stand at the Prague 2021 Trade Fair received the Top EXPO award from the organizers of the fair. The heating foils used for floor heating probably aroused the greatest attention. However, the glass radiant panels, which we can also make with individual printing, attracted attention too. A rather neglected system is ceiling heating. These are heating foils that are used in plasterboard constructions as radiant heating. It is a system that is one of the most suitable for low energy and passive buildings, and its main advantage is a completely hidden installation which does not interfere with the interior of the room and leaves architects and designers completely free. According to the tests we conducted in collaboration with the Czech Technical University in Prague, it is one of the most user-friendly heating systems. The company Fenix exports its products to 70 countries on all continents. The most important are our own products, and these are EcoSun radiant panels, which we have been selling successfully for 30 years, and also floor heating systems, heating cables and eco-floor mats. Congratulations on a great trade fair presentation, and we wish you many more successes in business.